Good morning, this is Ron with Mulholland Security. I'm here in Van Nuys in a property. We are doing an installation here, really interesting one. There used to be a wooden fence here around this property that was falling apart. That fence is now on our trailer here because it is going to the trash. And what's going to replace that fence are big panels. See, we've already prepared them. And they've been naturally rusted with some acid. And on top of these panels, once we install them, will be some galvanized corrugated steel panels that also has been naturally rusted with some acid. That would be installed on top to give it a rustic kind of look, and I think that's going to be really unique and pretty once we're done here. And you know, it's a very unique installation, so I'll keep you posted. I'll show you how we move along. Okay, so I'm back here, end of day one. We started here this morning, removed all the trash, removed all the old fencing and panels, and now the back wall is already standing. This is very unique. Very interesting look. Took us a while to get those corrugated steel boards to to get rusty like this. Again, we used some acid to do that. All the frames are in place, and as you can see, all these little basically all these panels are ready to get installed. That's going to happen tomorrow. So quite an accomplishment for day one, and I think tomorrow this whole yard is going to look really cool. So we'll see how it goes. So hey, we are here at the end of basically day two, and as you can see, this is all now standing. Came out really nice, really unique. Really not something that you see every day. It's a really unique concept, and you know, it really came out alive. The color really comes out when there is when the sun is on it. It's a really good coverage for this yard here. You know, the main reason for this was to get a lot of privacy, and you know, the workmanship is really nice on these panels. The connections, the frames, everything has been rusted using some acid, some specific acid, and on top of that goes a layer of flat sealer to make sure that it remains this way and not continue to corrode all the way down to nothing. So that's about it. Really came out really nice. I'm really happy with the end result. Went all the way to the side gate here, which we replaced as well. So all of this within basically a couple days. So really a lot of a nice accomplishment in terms of time management and getting this project done. And that's it. Ron from Mulholland Security in Van Nuys, California.